going on? So as you guys can probably see, I'm at work. We got a shitload of snow. So much snow that I don't even know where to put it right now. I've been at this dealership for probably 2 hours, and I honestly really haven't even done much. Got 20 centimeters plus, heavy winds, so there's a lot of drifts. Been going very slowly. The reason I'm going really slow is because the last 3 days have actually been in the pluses, like plus 10. Yesterday was plus 12. So all the piles that were really big about a week ago have basically turned into ice, little ice piles. Even the snow I've been piling up in these little certain places like I usually do is rock hard right now, and it's only been there for maybe half an hour or so. And it's very windy out still, so anything that I'm plowing is just blowing back into its spot. I wasn't going to do a video. I couldn't even get the windshield cleared until about 20 minutes ago. It was just ice and the wipers were frozen. I only had a little section to see out my side. I have such a busy day. I probably won't be here very long. I gotta do other places. I gotta do other jobs. But I gotta get the gist of it done this morning. You guys have to forgive me. I haven't even had a coffee yet. I just didn't have time to even go pick up a coffee this morning, so I'm kind of just running on nothing. There's so much snow buildup on the frame of the blade, I can hear it creaking like crazy. This pile right here, it's hard as a rock. It's only been here. See that? Blade just goes right up it. I can't even go through it. I'm gonna pick off a little bit at a time. It's very cold out, so any little pile that I make kind of just freezes right there. Going back and forth, just for a little pile. You guys see all that snow pile that I did over there the other day? It's pretty much melted right down to nothing. This is where I was, where I recorded the video the other day. And the pile was probably way back a little further, but now it's so melted, it's just rock hard. Some of the drifts back here are about 4 or 5 feet high. Like, there's no way I would get all this done even in the morning. I wouldn't even get all this done today. Plus, it's supposed to snow again later this afternoon. We're supposed to get another 10 centimeters. It's very time consuming when it's this much snow. You could probably park that van back in service now. Tell Jeff to move his truck. Yeah, it sucks when everything melts one day and the next day you get 25 centimeters of snow and winds. I feel like I'm getting anything done here. Yeah, yesterday it went from plus 10 or 11 in the morning and rapidly changed to minus 16 by 5 o'clock last night. So the temperature changed drastically, for fuck's sake. I don't know how good this video is going to be, guys. I just kind of threw it up really quick. I'll probably do a double tomorrow. GoPro with the phone. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do that, but I haven't used a GoPro ever. I mean, I get the gist of it. It's a camera, but I've never used one, so I've been kind of playing with the one I got for Christmas a little bit here and there, but I haven't really been interested in it. Just too many other things on the go. I haven't had the time to play with it. But I was thinking maybe it wouldn't work on a day like this, but I was thinking of mounting it right to the roof of over the windshield and then have the phone on the inside of the truck. But I haven't figured it out yet. Couldn't do it today because there's so much wind. There's no way the GoPro lens would stay clear. It would just be a big blur all the time. Probably there's so much wind out here this morning. Oh my God. You can go. I'll pull it out really quick. comments. Well, not a lot, but I see some comments in a few of my videos asking why I pile piles the way I do, halfway down. Well, this is one of the reasons why it ends up being that way, because there's so many little side areas along the way of the straight stretch that if I don't have to come back and do it just like I'm doing right now, it's just kind of the way it goes. It's not like I plan it out, but there's so many side areas, I just kind of bring it all to the center as I go. Yeah, I've already done the straight stretch, but now people are moving cars, and some idiot parked a car right here. Holy crap. I guess the spraying rust proofing all over the front of the blade last night didn't do crap for the snow. There's so much snow stuck to the blade. That an hour ago, it might have made it easier.
Get it out back there, see where I'm flashing?
Yeah.
Think I'll get it out back there?
I haven't seen back there.
Okay, well I didn't know if I just didn't know.
I'm sure you'll get out. You might get it out. Oh, I hate plowing in the wind. So stupid. Running out of room in this little spot here. Those ice banks were back there. I couldn't go any further like I normally would, just jam it right into the pile, but when it's all ice, it makes it a little harder. Get out or what? Where the fuck is he? Oh. I'm actually very bored. I might like quit this job in about friggin' 20 minutes here and come back this afternoon or tomorrow. The wind is just retarded. It feels like everything I'm doing is just blowing it right back in.